Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk Router Login with routerlogin.net. Connect your device. This can be done either wirelessly or via an Ethernet cable. Ensure that the connection is to your router's Wi-Fi network. Navigating to Router Login, use your web browser to go to www.routerlogin.net or www.routerlogin.com. The router's IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, can also be used. Login credentials. The default username is usually admin and the password. Router login troubleshooting tips. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. These files might interfere with the login process and cause errors or timeouts. Ensure your device is connected to the correct network. If you have multiple routers or extenders in your home, make sure you are connected to the one you want to log into. You can often update your router firmware via the Nighthawk app. In some cases, a factory reset may need to be performed, especially if login credentials are lost. Thank you for watching.